Dustin already know how to ride a lawnmower. So we're training the kids to help out to mow the lawn. And Dad is training Dana to use the push mower. Look at those little kiddos. They are our little workers. Doesn't know how to drive. That one. And we're just guiding them and help out also. I did a raking. Dana did really good. Oh, we got a lot of a bunch of hose in here. There's my little worker. So cute. Seems like he really enjoyed it. Yeah, it's nice that we already have a helper mowing the lawn here. I think kids are big enough to do the cutting the grass using the lawnmower. Yeah. It's very cloudy today. Seems like we're gonna get rain tonight. See the clouds there. Cloudy. Yep. There's our doggy. That's Noble. That's Noble. It's just laying down there. Here's Sugar. There's our Noble. It's a big boy. Princess is inside. Hi, Nobs. Down, honey. Down. It's all the way there. We move our trampoline all the way up there, that way we can clear the lawn here. Grass is growing so fast. Okay, so that's it. Let me just help the kids today and make dinner after.